The sound you are hearing now is the call from the chamber of wisdom hidden deep within your unconscious, a place no one else can enter. There, someone wordlessly waits for you. You close your eyes and begin walking the path toward that room. The sky is heavy with gray clouds, and gentle raindrops tap softly on the moss-covered forest path. The ground beneath your feet is damp, the soft earth gently wrapping around each step, and tiny puddles ripple quietly with every move. The sound of raindrops brushing over the leaves spreads like the delicate ringing of a small bell. The rain falling on your shoulders and head feels neither cold nor warm, only like the pure touch of nature itself. Each drop that touches your skin leaves a tiny shiver, bringing you more deeply into this very moment. The air is filled with the scent of wet earth and moss. Occasionally, a breeze carries a fresh and vivid fragrance, as if brought from the heart of the forest. Around you, everything is quiet. The soft whispers of raindrops landing on leaves, the low, gentle rumble of distant thunder, all tenderly brush against your ears. Every sound, every scent, every touch leads you deeper into stillness, deeper into yourself. The forest welcomes you in silence. The trees stand quietly, and the wind gently passes by. Then, in a corner of your vision, you notice a very old tree wrapped in thick, soft moss. Inside, there is darkness, but it is not heavy or frightening. The darkness is like a soft blanket, warm and comforting, ready to embrace you. It is quiet, cozy, and filled with a tender breath of light filtering faintly through. The tree, like an old friend, calls you gently and warmly. You slowly step inside the tree. Your feet sink softly into the moss-covered ground, and the calm air sinks deeply into your lungs. The space is wider than you expected, embraced by a soft, gentle darkness. The floor, layered with thick moss and fallen leaves, cushions each step. The inner walls of the tree feel rough yet warm, with silent droplets clinging here and there, softly glistening. The air is moist and carries a faint, sweet scent. The blend of wet moss and ancient wood fills you with a deep, cozy peace with every breath. The ceiling soars high above, barely visible, and slender shafts of light softly touch the moss below. You sit quietly, immersed in the gentle breath of light and darkness. The sound of raindrops beyond the bark feels like the slow, steady beat of a heart. You align your breathing with that rhythm, settling into the stillness. Within the silence, a trembling first sentence reaches you. Muddy water clears when left undisturbed. It settles in your heart like a raindrop falling onto a leaf, quiet yet deeply penetrating. The confusion and turmoil of the past begin to calm, and beneath it, your clear and serene true self starts to emerge. Then a second sentence softly echoes. You are not an unbloomed seed. You are already growing. These words fall into your chest like a warm beam of light. You realize a small sprout has been quietly growing deep within you, enduring countless storms and winters, steadily and patiently reaching upward. You gently embrace the parts of yourself that once felt unfinished or lacking, recognizing the journey you have already walked with tenderness. The words do not force or explain. They simply, quietly, and clearly hold you as you are. You pause, breathing quietly. In the stillness, where all sound seems to have ceased, your inner self slowly, deeply awakens. You realize suddenly that this tree is your own unconscious. The bark bears scars from past wounds, covered with thick moss of old memories. The deep indentations recall painful times, yet the moss wrapping them shows healing born through time. On one side, a delicate sprout has emerged unnoticed, its leaves glistening with water droplets, shining like hope born from pain. Some branches cradle memories like birds, light, warm moments of laughter. This tree holds all of your suffering and joy, your despair and hope. It is the very embodiment of your life. Mind is the source of all things. Everything changes. Everything passes. These two sentences ripple gently yet clearly, like the silent breath of the tree. Within you, forgotten memories begin to surface, one by one. The warm voice from childhood, the safe embrace, the bright laughter shared with loved ones, seeping in like sunlight. The small dreams that once made your heart flutter, sparkling like tiny stars. And even the pain and fear you once tried to hide, emerging cautiously like cool gray mist. Each memory carries its own color and temperature. Some memories wrap you in soft yellow light, warming your heart. Some carry a deep blue hue, gently touching hidden corners within you. Others glow with a soft pink, awakening love and compassion you had forgotten. Here, nothing is rejected. You gaze upon each memory, reaching out your hand gently to embrace them. Like carefully turning the pages of an old book, you accept, understand, and love each one. All these memories slowly transform into light. Yellow, blue, and pink blending together, filling the space around you like a warm breath. You inhale deeply, breathing in the light, and with each exhale, your body and heart feel lighter and brighter. The memories are no longer wounds. They are brilliant fragments that have shaped who you are, and you hold them all with quiet tenderness. The rain continues to flow gently over the bark of the tree, and your heart beats steadily, calmly. The air inside the tree remains moist and warm, the beams of light gently pulsing like breath. You melt into this quiet breathing. Each inhalation carries the stillness, and each exhalation releases the weight of the past. The tree no longer speaks with words. Instead, its warmth and the wisdom it has carried over countless years silently infuse your skin, your heart, your deepest soul. You know now, the silent wisdom you received here is slowly awakening within you. You step out of the tree, your feet press softly into the moss and fallen leaves. The air outside is a little cooler than inside the tree, but it caresses your skin with a soft, refreshing touch. The rain still falls gently, each drop landing softly on your face and shoulders, each one feeling like a blessing. You walk down the forest path slowly, yet with a newfound strength. The earth beneath your feet is moist and soft, giving you the reassuring sense that the world itself is supporting you. The air is thick with the scent of wet soil and grass, and the rain-scented freshness sharpens all your senses. You become stronger, softer, and wiser. You know now, and the chamber of wisdom is always waiting for you. You hold a gentle smile, and you clearly realize what you must do next.